In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all text messages on your Android smartphone at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and here we have Samsung Galaxy S23 and I use Google Messages on this device, and now I'm gonna show you how we can easily delete all the text messages at once. So first off, guys, we need to long press at any conversation you would like to delete, and that will select it. After that, we need to select all the conversations you would like to delete. You can just choose several conversations. However, if you would like to delete all of them at once, you need to choose all of them one by one. Unfortunately, we do not have select all option here. And once all the conversations are selected, then just tap right here at that trash icon and then hit at delete. Keep in mind that this is permanent and can't be undone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.